on as well. Finally, let's talk about Taste Holdings. This is an interesting operation. It has franchise operations going on. We won't talk too much about its jewelry business, but that's an entity called National Wholesale Jewellery. Solid, high margin operation. The real excitement here is it's traditionally been the base of the Scooters Pizza and Maxi's. It's brought the Dominos brand to South Africa, which is a big US pizza brand. At the same time, though, in the pizza market, we've seen Pizza Hut, which is an offshoot of KFC, Yum Brands, coming to the market. Taste, to be fair to them, also, though, has the Fish and Chips Company, which is a very popular, low-end, big portion type operation in high transit areas. It's an interesting operation with a dynamic young management team under CEO Carlo Gonzaga. It's got a market cap just shy of R1 billion, 919 million, PE of 25.8, dividend yield of 1.73%. What's to be said about them? Also got a nice mix. I don't know, how do you think Domino's is going to be received in this country?
I think it's going to be received well. I think they will get it right now, their recipe. They recently raised quite a lot of money because they bought Arthur Kaplan Jewelers, so they said they used some of that money that they were going to expand Domino's for. So they've raised 95 million rand, recapitalized a little bit, and they're really pushing out that rollout. And the initial indications of those stores are good. And then there's the vertical integration element as well.
Yes.
They didn't have that for a long time.
That's where they make the pizza bases, or they manufacture the fries, or the bacon processed products, all that sort of stuff.
Exactly, cheese, etc. Yeah, so I think they can capture more of the economics of the business. And it really has been a work in progress, building up to scale, and I think they are getting there.
Share price chart will show a listing in the 2007-2008 boom. They got totally ignored in a very tough environment, sparked higher, and lately, the last 2 years, drifting sideways a little bit. So a little bit of a kind of a sense maybe they'd gotten a bit ahead of themselves value-wise in that earlier period. But, you know, at least they're delivering on their promises operationally.
Yes, so they did. It was a lot of excitement, some acquisitions that the market got very excited about, Domino's coming along, but it does take time to put these things to bed.
Hot or not?
On this one, I'm hot.
Okay, good. Let's go with hot. Let's give that one the stamp of approval as well.